welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening a box. This box I got from Target, as you can see. We're going to be just tearing this open. Packing, paper, packing. Finally, box. We have this, the Target beauty box. I used to love getting this. It's not really like a subscription. You kind of have to go on every month and purchase it. It ships for free to your house, $7. You get a whole bunch of cute little things. And from what I understand, this is the last beauty box Target is doing, which really sucks because, I mean, every now and then they send some really not great stuff, but most of the time, one or two of the things you get in here is worth the whole thing. And more than not, everything in the box is amazing. I don't know, Target. I think we need to have a heart-to-heart, sit down, because this is amazing. I love this stuff. And the box is so cute, this one too. And then I go ahead and open it. Sealed. Protective. See, look how cute this box is. And I've actually been able to reuse a few of these boxes for storing like pictures and note cards and things like that in there that people give me or I give to people. It's super cute. But whatever, what do I know? It's just adorable. Let's open it up. And as always, if you've never gotten a Target beauty box before, they send you a coupon for your next purchase where you can go ahead and redeem it, $3 off a beauty purchase of $15 or more. That's cosmetics, skincare, and hair care, which is pretty much the easiest thing to do at Target because they have such a large variety of everything, from the higher end products to the less expensive products to your everyday staples. They have it all. So yeah, I love that. I use it every time too, so I'm guaranteed within maybe 72 hours that coupon's gonna be used. But, and then look how cute it comes wrapped. Every time it is like a gift. You have the adorable top to the box, pop it off, boom, gift. Oh, gift. How cute. And this is this month's box. Very nice. I'm just going to pull everything out and kind of go over it individually. Starting with the dry conditioner. How cool is that? I don't think I have any of those. I have tons of leave-in conditioners, dry shampoos, but no dry conditioners. So this is the first for me, which is great. I love that in my beauty boxes that I get to try a whole bunch of different things. And this is a first, and I really hope I like it because my hair loves conditioner. But this is the dry conditioner, weightless smooth, soft smooth, feel without the weight, waterless conditioning level 2. Very nice. Let me see, does it give like a little? Yeah, it does. So it's called Waterless is the brand. Instant moisture dry conditioner. Lovely. And everything that's in the box is on this cute little card right above your coupon too, so convenient. Next right here is the LUMIFY eye drops from Bausch & Lomb. I've heard a lot of good things about these. I've never actually brought myself to buy them just because I'm like, okay, it's eye drops. What more can an eye drop do for me? But this is actually pretty neat to get in here because I wear contacts a lot. And most of the time, I wear them longer than I should. So by the end of the day, nighttime for me, these will come in handy. So I'm definitely going to be giving these a try. Super neat. Next, we have the Honestly Fresh Natural Sea Mineral Prebiotic Deodorant. No aluminum, hypoallergenic, baking soda free. That's kind of neat. Like, I am a sucker for the native. It took me a while to find a natural deodorant, by the way. Long while. That sucks here in Arizona in the desert, but I found one. But anyway, this is cute. I've never heard of this brand. Okay, so this is supposed to help you maintain optimal pH levels and controlling odor for up to 24 hours. I might try it. I might also pass this on to someone who I know is trying these right now, but we'll see. Still great. Next, oh, that's cute. So this is, I believe, from TENOVERTEN, and they are nail polish remover pads, and it's rose polish remover, biodegradable cloths, acetone and paraben free, doesn't dry out your nails, use anytime, anywhere, no harsh odors, non-toxic. I, for one, am gonna give this a try just because I do my own nails. So I put the gel on, take the gel off, and if it means less smell, I'm gonna give it a go. Because if it works, I'm gonna be switching over. Yay. That's pretty cool. Thank you, Target. Next, so this is like a mini little sample. It is from TANOLOGIST. They are like body drops. Self-tan drops in the shade medium. Okay. I do not self-tan. I don't know if you can tell based off of how close I match the wall behind me. I don't get much sun at all. So, I mean, actually, this might be pretty cool to see if it actually works for me. So I may have to give this a try. If not, it's probably going to go to one of my nieces. But I kind of want to try it because it's just a little thing anyway. But, okay. That's different. Next, what are you? Ray. Oh. Okay. So these are ReDeStress Capsules. It is a mixture of pure and powerful ingredients to help calm your mind, fight mental fatigue, and focus in times of stress. So, like Ritalin or some kind of ADHD. Oh, it says dietary supplement, so 5-day supply. That's pretty neat. So does it like calm you or I kind of want to know, but it's supposed to help you de-stress, and who doesn't need that, honestly, especially right now. These are super handy. Thank you, Target. That's actually nice. The last item here in the box is this Uni Shower Sheets Large Body Wipe. Instantly cleanses, refreshes, and deodorizes. For those of us who are on the go. I know this would come in handy if I was still going to the gym and I needed to go out right after. But I'm not really doing that anymore. So I wonder... Oh, it's biodegradable. That's cool. How long are you good for? I mean, in all fairness, I don't know when the gym's gonna open again. I mean, I work out in our workout room here. But if I need to go somewhere and I need to, like, freshen up real quick, I could just go into my bathroom. So, yeah. But this is actually pretty neat. Thank you, Target. I don't think I would have purchased that on my own. But that's good to have. So I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this box, we have a total of 7 items. And I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 items I plan on using myself. The other items, I definitely know somebody I can give them to if I don't want to try them. But I'm definitely going to be trying about 4 items. So to me, this box is worth it. This, worth it. And I mean, it's always been worth it. I'm kind of sad to see it go. Target, if you're watching, you're listening, anybody else, you know these are great. When they first came out, super hard to get your hands on. But I feel like with all the other beauty boxes coming out, people have kind of lost touch with this. And they really shouldn't, because this was so great. $7, free shipping. Everybody knows where the Targets are. So whatever you want to buy more of, they have it. Go buy it. They give you a coupon. The best. Thank you, Target. At least for me, thank you, Target. I love the beauty boxes. I am sad to see them go. These were great ideas, great gifts too, because if I knew there was something in a box and my bestie wanted one or one of my nieces liked it, there were even men ones that I bought for like my dad, boyfriend, kids, for, you know, birthdays, holidays, whatever. They came in handy. And it's like you get so much for so little. I liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you're sad to see the Target beauty boxes go, if this is the first time you're hearing about it, which is really sad, but it happens. Things are moving pretty fast nowadays. You lose track. It's cool. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. We're going to do this again Thursday, Sunday when we do this. Yeah, I'll get the hang of it. We do this Thursday, Sunday. So I'll see you back here again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Bye.